All right. We have a video, a tutorial to help you learn the kindergarten class movements and the song. And it goes like this. You guys can do it with me. Ready? So on the piano, it'll be ya-ba-ba-bum, ya-ba-ba-bum, ya-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And then we sing. We learned our ABCs and counting 1, 2, 3s. Now we know all of these, the kindergarten class. We learn how to share and we learn how to care. Just ask us if you dare, the kindergarten class. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. Da 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 da. It seems we've just begun, but now we're almost done. This year's been so much fun, the kindergarten class. But we must say so long with this our little song. We'll be back before long as the first grade class. As the first grade class. Da 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 da. Oh yeah! And that's it. That's it. Thank you, James.